You can launch a brand new website today and still be completely invisible on Google. You don't have a traffic problem, you have a Google doesn't trust your site problem. Let me walk you through what actually happens to a brand new website or a brand new piece of content inside Google. First, Google has to find you. That's crawling. Googlebot discovers your pages through links, your XML sitemap, and Google Search Console. If Google can't reach your pages because of broken links, blocked robots text, or a messy URL structure, you're done right there. No crawl, no index, no rankings. So for a brand new website, your first job is not rank number 1. Your first job is make it dumb easy for Google to crawl every important page on my site. Next, Google has to understand you. This is indexing. Google analyzes your content, your headings, internal links, images, and your technical setup to decide what each page is about and whether it's worth saving in the index. If a page doesn't make it into the index, it's invisible in search. It might be live, but it's not even in the race. That's why you hit publish and nothing seems to happen at first. Google's still deciding where or if your new content belongs. Only after that does ranking start. This is where your brand new website actually competes for real keywords. In 2026, Google's mainly looking at 4 things. Relevance. Does your page clearly match what the searcher wants? Your title, headings, and content all need to tell the same story. Content quality. Google wants the best answer plus experience, not just a keyword stuffed into a paragraph. Clean structure, clear formatting, and actually helpful detail are all quality signals. Authority and trust. This is EAT. Experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. Real author signals, brand mentions, and trustworthy backlinks all tell Google it can rely on you. User satisfaction. Google watches how people behave after they click you. Do they click your result? Do they stay and scroll? Or do they jump back and pick someone else? A new page doesn't get a free pass here. It still has to win on relevance, quality, and trust, and user behavior, even if nobody knows your brand yet. So how does Google test a brand new site? It does not throw you on page 1 and pray. It starts with small tests. Google gives your new page a small number of impressions for a handful of related searches. It watches, do people click you? Do they stay? Do they bounce? If your page performs well, Google slowly increases your exposure. If it performs poorly, those impressions go to someone else. That's why a brand new article might spike for a few days, drop, and then come back stronger after you improve it. Google is constantly recalculating based on fresh behavior data. Now, what makes a brand new site look like spam? Thin pages with almost no unique content, auto-generated text with no clear author or expertise, chaotic URLs, duplicate pages, and broken internal links. No about page, no contact, no real world footprint anywhere else online. What makes you look like a real brand? Clean, descriptive URLs and a logical site structure. Core trust pages, about, contact, services, privacy with real business details. Helpful focused content on one clear topic, not random posts on everything. The faster Google can see this is a real business with a clear niche, the faster it feels safe sending searchers to you. That's where topical authority and content clusters come in. Google doesn't just rank pages anymore, it ranks patterns. If you publish one post on SEO, one on dog grooming, and one on crypto, Google has no idea who you are. If you publish 10 strong pieces around one topic, you start to look like the expert in that subject. A content cluster is simple. One pillar page that covers the big topic, several supporting articles that go deep on subtopics, all tightly linked together so Google can see the structure. When Google AI crawls that and sees all the connections, it doesn't see a random new site. It sees this is the brand that actually owns this topic. And that's how a brand new website goes from invisible to trusted, a lot faster than most people think.